Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time, it's something no home should be without. The skull-shaped telephone. Now, I know you love skulls and you like collecting them and you need them all over the house. But what better way to start off your collection than having a phone in the shape of a skull? Made in China. Well, let's see. Very exciting, isn't it, this? Oh, look. Copper skull. Oh, what else we get here? Well, we get instructions. Though I don't think. To make operation, to make a call, lift handset and dial the number. Wow. More complicated than I thought. Let's see, where are we? Here we go. Well, actually, if you didn't have the wires, you wouldn't actually know that was a phone, would you? I take it the eyes light up, so there's two little LEDs recessed right in the back there. And, oh, there you go. And there's a switch here. And it's off, on. Oh, ringer, off, on. Oh, that's quite interesting. Okay, so you can turn off the ring if you want. And there's the two connections. Well, let's go ahead and play telephone engineers and connect the phone up, shall we? This is from my bedroom because I've moved some stuff around and my old phone that was on the wall is not on the wall anymore. And I want something that can just be freestanding, and I thought I'd have a bit of fun with something a bit different. Okay, so that's for this one here, I think. Let's go in that way. Must be that way. Oh, that's really, oh dear. That is not a nice smooth switch sort of and click there. That was quite hard, but there we are. So we've got this as well. That works, okay, that's good. So we haven't got the see, look, here's a problem. Look, as soon as I put that down flat, look, it lifts this off. Not very good, is it? Oh, for goodness sake. So it's okay until you actually put the wire in, then it's not okay. Oh, for goodness sake. So if you want it on a flat surface, it's well, it's alright now. No, it's okay, babe. It's just a new wire. I'm going to have to watch that though. That's not brilliant. I've just been trying to fit it in the bedroom and I hadn't realised that this plug is too small and there's no adapter in the box. So this was 30 quid on Amazon and I think it's a pile of crap. I mean, this thing doesn't stay on when it's flat unless you're careful, and it needs an adapter to go into a UK phone socket like this, which wasn't with the phone. This was on my old one, so I guess that's okay, so I can carry ahead and put it in now. But that's not a good start, is it really? Anyway, I'll plug it in, see how it goes. Okay, so here's what it looks like in situ. I'm just going to call it up. Well, they're quite bright, those lights. And this is what it sounds like. Hello. Yep, it sounds like this. Not very loud, I don't think. But, you know, there we are. Okay, goodbye. Oh, and you get a little cheeky wink as it goes. If it was 10 quid, I'd say it's alright. But 30 odd quid, I think I've been ripped off. It's junk. It looks sort of quite nice shiny wise, but it's really cheap plastic, and this thing doesn't really... No, it keeps coming off, you know? No, so don't bother with this one, unless it's just a novelty for a Halloween or something. But as a proper phone, nope. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again next time.